Welcome to MARSARS Ice Rescue Extrication Sled's Introduction. This video alone is not meant to teach surface ice rescue. Rather, it is intended to be used in conjunction with a recognized surface ice rescue course with qualified instructors. MARSARS Ice Rescue Extrication Sleds are sold separately or by kit for a 300-foot response, 600-foot response, 900-foot, or our two new innovative rapid multi-victim rescue kits. Our kits include the versatile Ice Rescue Extrication Sled with a companion cold water rescue sling and your choice of 300, 600, or 900 foot of rescue rope. Next, let's review the many innovative features of this system. The buoyant cold water rescue sling is a simple-to-use rescue flotation device that provides victims with independent positive buoyancy. The sling is fastened to a sled or tether by an attached stainless steel carabiner. Tough skin foam covering provides approximately 16 pounds of flotation. Two blisters limit the adjustable sizing strap's range of movement. This double-sided hook and loop covered strap is effectively used for rapid sizing of sling to victim. Your goal should be to secure victim with buoyancy within 10 seconds of contact. Crossing patient's arms over sling provides head protection during extraction through light snow or slush. Providing protection through thicker elements requires a sled. MARSARS buoyant 9mm tether lines are constructed of bi-polymer blended fiber. This 3,700 pound strength product with factory spliced eyes and stainless steel hardware is designed for years of tough service. For your safety, we use carabiners that always open when frozen, plus hook floats that prevent a disconnected line from sinking. Our rescue reels are portable line deployment devices designed specifically for land or ice-based ice rescue. With or without line, our reels remain completely buoyant. For thick snow or sloped embankment deployment, our rescue reels feature a shoulder carry strap. This same strap doubles as an anchor point bridle for land or ice-based rescue. And folks, while we're looking at this, for this line to come off this way, it has to be put on that way. It has to be put on side by side, nice and neat. Let's move on to the Ice Rescue Extrication Sled. The main feature of this sled is really its lack of buoyancy. We need to minimize buoyancy so that during extrication we can sink the device below the patient, load the patient on quite easily. Where others have high buoyancy and try to keep you out of the water, we rely on the warmth and safety that new suits provide. This sled is designed really for the victim so that you can put the victim on, extricate him, handle him gently in a horizontal position. The weight of the sled is only 25 pounds, very lightweight, easy to carry, very easy to store, fits within transverse compartments of most emergency vehicles. Let's go first through some definitions. First one is the in-haul tether. This is the line used to pull the sled back to shore. Next, the in-haul pennant. This is a plastic-coated wire strap that the in-haul line connects to. The sled's in-haul end. This is the end of the sled closest to shore that is pulled back to safety. Features of the sled's bottom. The double-ended design makes this an excellent device for multi-victim rescues. To prevent flooding, the sled's hull has been foam-filled and made in the shape of a tunnel that is designed to decrease drag while crossing unstable ice. This design also makes it very easy to mount or remount ice by tether or by ice hauls. We put a lot of thought into the next feature, and that is the runners. We had to have runners that could cross ice in a number of ice conditions. First of all, we put runners now that can be replaced if damaged, and our runners have a unique shape that allows a point to be placed on new ice and should speed us along very quickly across new unbroken ice. Late season winter ice, we have a wider surface that's shown, and this spreads out and prevents our hull from sinking down. If our sled is moving diagonally up onto the ice coming back to shore, it wants to side slip. This feature prevents that slippage. The next feature of the device is the foam that surrounds the unit. It not only protects the patient from injury, but also stabilizes the device in the water, making it less likely to capsize. Features of the in-haul N. Both ends of the sled have a recessed D-ring. The in-haul pennant is attached to the in-haul D-ring. During stowage, the pennant's loose end is temporarily fastened by snap shackle to the sled's opposite end. A release lanyard has been attached to the snap shackle. Grab lanyard and pull to disconnect. Upon release, your tether line reel is ready to be connected to the in-haul pennant's thimbled eye. We have added a Velcro strip to the sled's outhaul end. This black strip can be seen just below our rescuer's blue gloved hand. To advance a sled for multi-rescue, an optional outhaul pennant is needed. This strap is a component of the multi-victim rescue kits. Features of the sled's deck. Starting with the outbound or outhaul end, we find 4 patient restraint anchor points for overland transport. Anchors are located as shown. To extract a patient from ice to ambulance, 4 carry handles are provided for overland transport. This rescue sled includes ice holes for propulsion. The ice holes are stored within a pocket, easily opened, quickly removed, dried, lubricated, and stored for reuse. Next, we find the rescuer's tether strap. This is the means by which the rescuer is tethered to shore. Let's move on now to the sled's inboard end or in-haul end. This next point of interest has many features. First is the rescuer's grab strap with ring. This orange-coated urethane strap is used by rescuers to pull the sled in between themselves and their patient. With sled in place and strap in hand, the cold water rescue sling is quickly fastened to this large hookup ring. This large, high-quality stainless steel ring is designed for rapid rescue sling connection. Let's watch this demonstration. A snap fastener is used to keep the grab strap in place. As a suggestion, coat snap with silicone to prevent from freezing. And now to the last and most sensitive feature of this device. We have an emergency sling that is located beneath the grab strap. This sling can be removed, placed around a body for recovery. In the business that we're in, oftentimes, and I hope you never have to face it, but if you have to attach a body to the sled, this is an optional way of doing so. This is Bob Davis of MARSARS. Thank you for your time.